Hi there, my loves. This is Jana and Nico. Welcome to our kitchen. So today we're going to make an amazing dessert. Amazing, okay? We're going to make a chocolate mousse using only 2 ingredients. Yeah, and no, there's nothing hidden in it, okay? There's one optional ingredient, which is a vanilla essence, but it's totally optional. You don't need to add it if you don't want to. It's only 2 ingredients, I promise. Let me show you how I put it together. So the first ingredient is chocolate, okay, dark chocolate, to which we're going to melt. And when it's melted, we're going to add a canned coconut milk. Really, that's it. Full fat coconut milk, okay? And you just mix it up, and you don't need a blender, you don't need anything. I forgot to mention at the beginning, you don't need a blender. You do not need a blender, okay? Just mix it up, put it in the fridge, and wait until it hardens up a little bit, and there you go. I love my job. I love my job. I love my job. I love my job. I keep saying, oh my God. I'm gonna put it away from him. He's gonna wanna eat it, because who wouldn't? A party is going on on my taste buds. It's amazing. It's simple, isn't it? Guys, really, this is it. It's so good. Oh my God, I love it. It's so good. All right, so this is it for today. Please share this video all over. People need to know about that, okay? I don't know. This is genius, all right? So share it and follow me on my social media. Don't forget that the written recipe is going to be over here, not on Nico, no, but in the video description. So expand and then you see the written recipe, and on my website, okay? And before some people freak out, not all of you because you guys are awesome, but some people come and like, there's a cat on the countertop. Yeah, there is. It's my cat and it's my countertop, okay? As far as I know, you're not going to be invited to have dinner here because you don't like the cat. So only people who like cats are invited for dinner. And this is not the equipment or anything that I use for cooking. However, they jump all over the kitchen counter, so who cares? All right, so as I keep saying, they allow me to live here rent-free, so they can do whatever they want, okay? Me, not so much. So see you next time. Have a wonderful week. Bye-bye.